What's different about the environmental law externship? It's about the outside. Environmental law concerns things outside: the air, the water, the soil, and wildlife. Tampa Bay is a great place to study and do externships in environmental law. We have placements at places such as NOAA, the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, the federal agency that regulates the seas. And they do things such as protect endangered manatee and regulate fisheries such as the red snapper, which is so important to Florida. And students do research and projects for this important work. Next, we have an externship at the Florida Sea Grant Program. They're a state-funded agency that gives advice mostly to local governments on things related to the sea. And recently, a student did a project of a document giving local governments advice on how to regulate for sea level rise while avoiding property takings claims. Next, we have an externship at the Hillsborough County's Environmental Protection Commission. They're a local agency and they deal with local things such as docks and restaurants. And sometimes students get to go on boats in Tampa Bay. Try that at your big law firm. Next, we have placements at some private organizations, such as the Ocean Conservancy, which butts heads sometimes with NOAA and advocates and litigates for sea resources. We also have a placement at the Center for Biological Diversity, an important national nonprofit law firm that both advocates and litigates mostly against federal agencies to protect Florida's wildlife and habitat. We've had students give presentations before local zoning boards and write briefs and memos that went to federal court. We may also have some externships over the summer or semester long outside of Tampa Bay, such as at Florida's Department of Environmental Protection or the US EPA in Washington. It's great outside. Come and join us.